Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to tell you about how to make thousands of dollars as an affiliate marketer and get free trips. So let's get started right now. So I am back. So first of all, I want to talk about what is an affiliate marketer first of all. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's something that I've been using since 2016. And it's something that you can build an online business with. So what is it? It's actually a business model, an online business model that you can earn commissions from generating sales by promoting other people's products. And it's one of the best ways to get started online, I feel, to build an online business, because this business model is so simple but yet very powerful. Because if you do it right, you can actually earn consistent passive online income. Now, what does that even mean? Passive online income means that you can actually earn over and over again from the work that you've done once. For example, this video right now, this video can make me money over and over again. So why wouldn't I make a bunch of videos so I have an army on the internet to make money for me, right? So it's the same as if you don't want to do videos, it's the same as if you have a blog website. If you build a blog website, those are my dogs, guys. Look at them chasing each other behind me. That's why you gotta get two, so they exercise on their own. And I'm so busy, I can't walk them anymore these days. Anyway, getting back to what I was saying, building online assets is what I'm talking about, really. Okay, so it could be videos, it could be blog posts on a website, like an affiliate website, and that's how I started, guys. Workanywherenow.com is an affiliate website, and it's in the format of a blog. Because why you want a blog is that it can get ranked on search engines, and when you can get ranked on search engines, then that's how you could get consistent traffic coming into your online business and make consistent money every day online. So if you want to make commissions every single day, you need to build online assets that will work for you. So that's what I've been doing since 2016. I have built a website, now I'm building a YouTube channel, and I'm building other assets as well to keep my business expanding and getting further and further reach into the internet. So in affiliate marketing, if you partner with the right companies, and they have great programs, some of them. So the one that I use all the time is where I started with affiliate marketing. So I promote this training platform called Wealthy Affiliate, okay? That's how I started affiliate marketing. And why I want to talk about Wealthy Affiliate today is because on Sunday this week, I'm going to be traveling on their dime. Yes, they actually going to pay me on a free trip to go meet with them so I can give them input on how to improve the platform for other members. So this is why I love promoting Wealthy Affiliate, because they have this program that really takes care of affiliates, and they really care about what you think and how you can even improve your business the next year, and they will help you with that. So the owners of Wealthy Affiliate is Cal and Carson, and I have met them last year. So in 2018, I became a super affiliate for them. And so that's how powerful the training is, guys. They have made me a super affiliate, a stay-at-home mom, guys. If a stay-at-home mom can be a super affiliate, then you guys can do it too, okay? By the time you reach super affiliate status, you are making a full-time online income and much more if you keep going. So that's why it's so exciting, and that's why I am promoting this platform over and over again, because I love making commissions, first of all, recurring and lifetime commissions, and I get a free trip every freaking year that I go and keep promoting them. And I love hanging out with other entrepreneurs. So it's not just me meeting with the owners, you're going to also get to meet other super affiliates that get to go as well. So it's really incredibly fun when you get a bunch of entrepreneurs together and get to finally chit chat about our online businesses freely, and everybody understands every lingo that we're talking about, and it's really fun this way. So I haven't really found another affiliate program out there, guys, that does this, okay? Now, maybe in the travel industry. I'm not in the travel industry. So if you're in the travel industry and want to make this your thing for your online business, you could totally do it. Okay, and Wealthy Affiliates training could totally help you build a travel website that can help you build your online business within the travel niche. And then what you can do is just go out there and find the affiliate programs that will give you free trips. And besides, when your travel niche gets higher authority on the web, people will be coming to you asking you to go travel for them. So this is how you can travel for free with affiliate marketing, guys, and make a full-time income while doing it. So I'm not in the travel space, and I still get a free trip from this affiliate program that I'm a part with. So you can too. So if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate or just learn from the training on how to build an affiliate website for yourself, build an online asset that can really make you money 24/7. And that is really how people can make passive online income on the internet like this. So I'm going to talk about 2 paths that you can take with the training at Wealthy Affiliate. The first path is any niche that you want to take. So if you want to go into travel, pets, cooking, sports, cars, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Okay, you can pick whatever niche you want to do and build your online business based on that. And I suggest you pick something that you really like, because this is again a business you'll be building, so you're going to be working in this for a long time. So make sure you're going to like this topic that you pick. And second is the affiliate marketing or make money online niche, which is to promote Wealthy Affiliate. So if you want to use Wealthy Affiliate's affiliate program and also promote their online platform, then this is how you could win the Vegas trip. Okay, yes, so the trip is in Vegas, and they put you up in a very nice room in the MGM Grand Hotel, and you get to be taken care of the whole time you're there. Okay, so not only you're going to have conferences to actually attend, but also in the evening you're going to be entertained by them as well. So it's a really fun way. So in order to win the trip, you have to make 300 new sales per calendar year. Okay, that's it. So you don't even have to have the members stay on or anything. It's just 300 new sales. So they could come on for 1 month, and if they don't even stay on for 2 months, that counts as your 300. Okay, so they just need to pay for 1 month, and that counts towards your 300 sales, and you'll win the trip to Vegas, and we could go party together. So if you want to come party with me in Vegas on Wealthy Affiliates dime, do it. Okay. So if you want to hop on, you gotta use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Guys, you want to sign up with me because I'm a super affiliate and I know what I'm doing. So if you want my free coaching, that's what you gotta do. You gotta use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and you'll get to the spot where you're gonna sign up at Wealthy Affiliate. And when you get to Wealthy Affiliate's website, you're gonna see my face on it. So that's how you're gonna know that you got to the right place. Okay, and by the time you create your free account, so you can get on for free, check it out, see if you like the training. Okay, go and look at my profile, search Littlemama in their search bar, and look at my profile and look at the posts I've written on my profile. Okay, all my income proof is right there. You can see how much money I've been making and how much struggle that I've had as well. Okay, it's not all peaches when you're building a business. It's like any other business. Okay, in the beginning it's gonna be slow, but the internet can go like this at any time, okay, for your income. So don't think that because you're going this way, it's going to stay forever. You need to keep working on your business when it's like this though, okay? So when it's like this, you got to keep working hard. You got to push hard. Even though you think there's no results, because guess what? All of a sudden, bam! That's what can happen to your internet income. Bam, like that. It's happened to me more than once, guys, okay? So that's why I'm very passionate about telling people to be affiliate marketers, because I love it so much and I've made a lot of money using this method. And so I know you can do it too, and I want to help you in the process. So if you want to sign up at Wealthy Affiliate using my link workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, go ahead and do it today. And then you're going to see on your profile that I'm going to give you some bonuses if you go premium. So yes, obviously you need to go premium at some point if you want to be a serious affiliate marketer, because or else you won't get the rest of the training. Okay, so for your free account, you can actually get on and use the first level of the training that has 10 lessons for free, and actually have a brand new live website on the internet by the end of that first level for your free account. So that's pretty cool, right? After that, you're going to decide if you want to continue. Okay, it's going to be some hard work to do. It's going to be some hard work to build your online business, but guys, it is so worth it if you can do it. Okay, if you could dedicate your time and make these positive changes in your life, you could build something that's going to be worth it in the long run, and you could make consistent online income if you build your website right with Wealthy Affiliates Training, and I'm going to be there to help you. Okay, so again, check it out, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I'm going to hopefully help you in the near future. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, not just affiliate marketing. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. So I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.